Okay, I've got my bag of buttercream and there's no tip. I'm just going to cut pretty good hole. Pretty good hole. Just squeeze a little out. Okay, get rid of these plastic pieces. All right, so the paws are going to be, coming out from pretty much the side of the head, and the ears are going to come down here. So I'm just going to start right about here, and I'm just going to squeeze and let the icing build up a little, and then bring it in to the body like that. Okay, same here, so I'll start this one about here, squeeze, and bring it in so that basically the ear will cover where it doesn't actually, come up to the body. All right, so once I have that, go ahead and I've got my brush again. Sometimes if you just kind of dip it in some water and get the excess off, it'll help you to smooth it. I'm being very, very gentle as I do this. Okay, let me get some excess off. A little more water. And it looks like I'll have to come in this way at this angle. Okay, so there's that one. And then over here, get that to attach to the body there. And I don't worry too much about the base of the whole cake because he is going to sit in some grass. Okay, so once I have it about like that, then what I want to do is take another bag and cut a smaller hole, maybe about like a tip 7 or an 8 size. And then come back here, and I'm going to squeeze, let the icing build up a little bit, and then drag in. And then another one, 2, another one, and then one a little bit further back, 4 like that. And then come back with the brush. Okay, and I'm going to take the brush this way and go in between that for his little toes. Okay, over on this side. So you can see that you almost blend it all back in, but it just gives a little bit of a hint there that I will highlight a little bit later. I'm going to make sure that they don't come up too high. Okay, and then this one, we're just going to go like this. Take a little out. So we want to do it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. I actually like that better. I think I'm going to switch these back ones. Why? Because I can. So let me just add a little bit more here. Push that back up. So we'll even simplify it even more. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And that one I have too much icing on the brush. 2, and there's my 3rd and my 4th. Okay, same on this side. So this one, I think I can just kind of push that back up. So it needs to be a little bit bigger over on this side. So see, sometimes I might do something once and then switch it if I don't like it. That's what sculpting's all about. It goes more with the one on the other side now. Okay, so that is that part. Let me get the water off here. And then we're gonna go ahead and get some fondant pieces out and do a tail and all sorts of other fun stuff.